To set up a Wi-Fi extender with Xfinity, you can use their own device, the Xfi Pod, which is designed to connect effortlessly to the Xfi gateway. The setup process begins with enabling Bluetooth on your smartphone and ensuring you have the necessary app installed. After signing into your account, click the Account tab, typically located at the bottom right side of the app, and select Devices to find the option to activate Wi-Fi Boost Pods. Choose the Xfi pod you want to install and click Get Started to activate the pods. But first, disconnect any other Wi-Fi pods connected to the gateway and tap Unplugged. Proceed with the activation, and once complete, hold your phone close to the first pod to connect it. Next, connect the pods to outlets in various rooms around your house. Return to the app and tap All Pods Ready to Go. Then use your phone to name each pod as they come online, holding your phone close to each one. Finally, select Finish Setup to complete the process, and you will have successfully set up your Wi-Fi extender with Xfinity.